Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hopefully, all you are fine. Today, with our new lesson, uh, Microsoft Windows, chapter number 5 of your book. Let's start our lesson. So in this lesson, we have to discuss about the Microsoft Window using Window Explorer, Start Windows Explorer, and how you have to deal with the folders. What are the folders? I will explain you in this lecture. Let's start. What is a Microsoft Windows? Microsoft Window is basically an operating system, which I have already explained you in the class. So this operating system uh, is basically a bridge between the hardware and the software who will control overall activities of the computer system. It ensures that all the devices which are attached to the computer system, it works efficiently and smoothly. So this is a bridge between the hardware and the software. So Windows is basically an example of operating system. Earlier, basically, there is a two types of operating system. The first operating system which launched by the Microsoft Corporation is MS-DOS, which is all command-based operating system, in which all the commands you have to be remember, and then you have to be write the command if you want to make the copy the file, paste the file, launch the file, execute the file. You must have to remember these files. But later on, they feel that this is very difficult, so then they have launched the Microsoft Windows. So Microsoft Windows is basically a user-friendly operating system which anybody with the little effort or with the little know-how, they can use it efficiently. So let's see how it will work. What are the major functions? So the major function of the operating system or the MS Windows is control the hardware, as I told you, runs application programs, it organizes all information which you are working on, or you have or installing any kind of software. It will be organized by the Microsoft Windows or the operating system. Look here, I'm showing here the diagram for that, how the operating system works. So if you see on the diagram, there is a uh, operating system. All the devices are attached. I have given some examples over here. So monitor, printer, mouse, keyboard, hard drive, and all application software which you are installed, like Microsoft Office, MS Word, Excel, any game, all apps are here. It is controlling by operating system, which is different in any of the computer system, which what kind of operating system you are using, computer system you are using. Like mostly the Microsoft desktop computer or the laptops which you are using, they are using the Microsoft Windows. There are different versions for Microsoft Windows, but the function of the operating system or the Microsoft Windows is the same everywhere. Even in the mobile phone, I give you an example of mobile phone. Mobile phones are using the different apps, operating system as well, Android system, and for the Apple there is an OS system is using by the mobiles. Without that operating system, computer or any of the device is useless. If you not install that operating system, it cannot be functioned. Let's see another example I have with the diagram. So how it's working, look here. Here is the hardware, yani here are all the hardwares, motherboard, your computer, or all the devices which you are attached with that. It's called the hardware, the physical parts of the computer. So then you have installed the operating system on it in the shape of the Windows, the Mac, or any type of system you are using. It must need the operating system here. Then after operating system, when you install the operating system, it needs some applications. So application is basically having the support of operating system. Without operating system, computer is useless. So it needs the application like MS Windows, I told you, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, Excel, games, different educational system, entertainment system, any kind of system, application, software which you want, it should be installed here, and then it, with the supporting of the operating system, it will be interact with the user. Yani the student or teachers, doctors, anybody who is using the computers called user. He's sitting over here, he's using the application. If you see the reverse part, application interact with the operating system, and operating system is dealing and controlling the hardware. So this is a simple operating system is working. Now let's see today's topic. Also we are having the how to use Window Explorer. So basically when you install the Windows, now we have to be in the window. Windows has different kinds of features inside. Okay, when you start the Windows, it has the Window Explorer, which through which you can explore the Windows, what is inside the Windows, what kind of things it had installed inside. It will show everything to you. Then we will discuss about also how to display this is another feature, display the folder. What is the folder? Folder is like the cabinet. So if you are using the cabinet at home, the boxes of the cabinet you are using to store different kinds of things. So same, the folder is doing the same function, and it is using to store the different kinds of files inside, and then you whenever you need it, you open that folder and you can display the folder, and then you can get the files from there. Then there is also other feature of the hiding the folder. We will learn also how to hide the folder and what we will do. Then again you have other feature to display the hidden folder. So also we can have this option, creating new folders. Let's start. First of all, I'm going to exit from here and now see how to explore the window. So you click on the start button here, and then right here, whatever the window you are using here, Window Explorer. So then you can see here one icon is of the Window Explorer display here. You can click on that, a new window will be open here. It will showing everything for you, the drives, how many drives are here, desktop, downloads, recent places, library, C drive, D drive, whatever the drives your computer having, it will be shown that specific area. So mostly we are having the C drive is having the operating system, and all the files, whatever the programs, applications, systems, all it will be displaying over here in this area. You can see here, and through that you can have the program files. You can see here all the programs, what are you installed here, it will showing over here in this area. So same like this is you can say the previous Window 98, Window 2000, they are showing you in your book. Also there is a plus sign, but now new Windows coming with this new feature. This is a right-handed arrow. You can see from here, it shows that something inside this folder. This is a folder icon. When you click on that, it will show you all this folder inside, or files, whatever it is in the over inside, it will show over here. Here also you can see here the icons here. When you click on that, also it will show you. But if there is nothing inside, then this arrow having the little the shape of the arrow is, look here, it will be tilted. Okay, and then after that it is showing that nothing inside that, it will be open that file. If you want to be close, yani close that folder, then click on that, again the folder will be closed. So this is how to display and hide the folder. But another thing you have to be learn here, to how to hide the folder from your current position. For example, here in my document I have created one folder, for example on desktop, or you can say here in download folder. You can anywhere, you can in the C drive or in the D drive. In the D drive, for example, I have create new folder. From here, how to create new folder, there is a folder option. Okay, here from here you can create new folder. So I write here for hiding, how to hide the folder in the window. Right click on that folder which you want to hide, go to its property, then there is an option for hidden. Click on that, apply, okay. Then this is having a little, you can say it's the color of that is uh, a little, you can see shady. So you can go to here organize area and folder and search option. Here you can say the different options are available: journal, view, search. You go to the view, here is don't show hidden files, show hidden files. If you want to hide the folder, so click on that option and apply. If you can see the folder which I have selected from here, it is not displayed. Now it is hiding from your eyes. Okay. But if you want to again want that it will be displayed, then you have to again go to the organize, folder and search options, go to the view options, and then you have to be check on the show hidden files. So apply on that. Okay. All the folder which you have set the property hidden, it will be show again to your folder. As I have created new folder for this hiding, look here again, it will be displayed on this area. So this is here that how to hide and how to display the folder. Creating new folder, it's very simple. You have to be select the create folder button here and click on that. A new folder will be created here and you can name it my work, for example. Then you can select that and then you enter into that folder, the name of that folder display over here. So it's very quite simple. So if you want to be explore your drive, you can explore the drive from here: C drive, D drive. This is I have made examination drive, for example. Anything you have to be exploring, this is the exploring area. You can select, then you can go inside that the things you are displaying over here in the screen. From that start button, you can also see all programs is installed inside the computer system. Any program you can have to be launched from here, so then you can be select from here and you can also launch that program. And mostly the students don't know about the at that level the where is the program when you are installing. Mostly the Microsoft Office, when you are using, here is the folder of Microsoft Office, and all the package includes all the things, Microsoft Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, everything is displaying over here. And you can make also the shortcut from here by right clicking over here, and then you can set as a on the desktop shortcut, send to desktop, then the shortcut of this Word file will be created on the desktop folder. So boys, this is the very simple thing which I have told show to you. So till next, Allah Hafiz.